Hello and thanks for joining me, Emma Louise Hamilton at the Amazon Dream, where we talk about everything related to Amazon FBA, making money online and mindset. If you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so you get notified when I next release a video. Today I will be sharing how I've developed multiple streams of income from my YouTube channel and how you can too. Following a recent video where I shared how much I've earned from my first YouTube paycheck, I've received a lot of questions about the other ways that I make money from YouTube. I want to answer your questions and also touch on a few commonly asked questions, such as, do you need a YouTube channel to make multiple streams of income online? The first way that I make multiple streams of income from YouTube is via AdSense. I won't talk about this too much as I have previously spoken about the topic in a previous video, but this is where YouTube pays you for the ads that appear on your videos. I did think that it was only larger audiences that could make a substantial amount from YouTube earnings. However, you might be surprised to find out how much I earn on YouTube as a small channel. So if you are interested in that, be sure to click the video in the info cards above and I'll go further into depth about how much I personally make on YouTube from AdSense as a small YouTuber. This stream of income simply developed by using a camera, my laptop, and then posting videos online. The second way I make money from YouTube is through info products. So I currently have a course that is tailored to people who want to start selling on Amazon. This is how much I made last month from my online course. I created this income stream by putting together the course, which was quite time intensive as there are over 30 videos within the course. Additionally, I do have to update the course every now and then as Amazon are quite keen on frequently updating their terms of service. This income stream was developed from YouTube as I was able to create a small, targeted niche audience of people who are interested in Amazon. I also get people who reach out to me after seeing my people reaching out to me directly after they have seen my YouTube videos and ask how I can help them start their Amazon business. This was my first online course and the logistics of setting it up was surprisingly easy. I use a platform called Teachable, which is very beginner friendly and easy to use. I will leave a link in the description box if you are interested in starting your own course. The next stream of income is through sponsored videos. Businesses reach out to me directly because of my very niche specific YouTube channel. This makes it easy to attract sponsors as they know exactly what my YouTube channel is about and they also know the content that my viewers would like to watch. But what is not unexpected is that you will click the thumbs up button right about now. The brand deals on this channel are actually far and few between as I do actually turn down the majority of them, especially if I have never used or heard of the service before. In fact, at the time of making this video, I have only accepted 2 brand deals and that is because they are tailored to my specific niche and also offer value to the viewers. Getting offered brand deals did raise some questions in terms of how much I should charge per YouTube video. Luckily, I found a nifty little tool called Social Blue Book, which actually gives you a guide price on how much you can charge per video based on your subscribers, views, and audience demographic. This is how much Social Blueprint suggests that I charge per video. You can of course charge more or less depending on the time it takes you to make a video and also how much value you can offer the sponsor. The next stream of income is through affiliate marketing. This is where I either sign up for an affiliate program or a company approaches me and asks me to be an affiliate for their product or service. Generally on YouTube, there are 2 ways you can do affiliate marketing. You can do it either 1, generally, or 2, niche specific. The generic way is through well-known affiliate programs such as Amazon Affiliates. How it works is that I mention an item in my YouTube video that you can purchase on Amazon. I will then share a personalized link to the product and put it in the description box. And if somebody purchases using my link, I will earn a small commission. Amazon Affiliates is not the most profitable way to make money through affiliate marketing. This is because they only offer about 3% per sale. In addition to that, the cookies used to track the links expire after 24 hours. This is how much I generated in sales on Amazon this year. However, this is how much I made in my commissions due to the sales that came in. As you can see, it is only a very small amount. But as they say, look after the pennies and the pennies will look after you. The second way to do affiliate marketing is when you tailor it to your specific niche, and this is a more targeted way of doing affiliate marketing. You share a product or service that you know will benefit your audience. So in my case, it will be a product that will save them money, help them to generate more money, or help them to run their business more efficiently. Here are a few of my affiliate commissions from last month. The way I created this revenue stream was through two ways. So the first way was through building an audience. And if your audience know, like and trust you, they are more inclined to use your links. Your audience will even approach you directly before purchasing a product or service to ask for your link, as shown in this example here. The second way I developed my affiliate marketing income stream was through purchasing and investing in a course. The course that I used is no longer available. However, I will link to a highly recommended affiliate marketing course down below in the description box if affiliate marketing is something that you want to get into. The fifth and final way is through one-on-one consulting. I actually did not create this income stream for myself. Instead, people approached me directly asking me if I offered one-on-one coaching. This is a premium service and not something that I actively promote, as it is quite time intensive working with people one-on-one and doing it through video calls and telephone calls. If you have knowledge about a topic or you have hands-on experience, you will often find that people will approach you asking if you can help them. Most of the income streams mentioned are pretty much passive income, apart from the one-on-one coaching, which is why it is a premium service. With passive income, you do the work once and you reap the benefit for months and years to come. An example of passive income are some of my YouTube videos which I created months ago and are still generating me income today. Passive income is all about working smarter, not harder. So although I have 5 income streams from YouTube, I do not literally have to spend day in, day out working on those streams for them to generate income. I do the work once and they generate income for years and months to come. And the final thing I want to touch on, which is a question that gets asked quite regularly, is do you need a YouTube channel to create multiple streams of income through social media? I think this question gets asked a lot as some people are camera shy or they do not want the attention that comes with having a YouTube channel. I'd like to assure you that all of these income streams are available without a YouTube channel. If you select a platform, then you can build an audience and create multiple streams of income. This can be an Instagram page, Facebook page, blog or website. All of these do not require you to get on video or even show your face. These can be done anonymously if that is what you want. If you have been wanting to start a YouTube channel, Instagram page, blog or website, get started today. Take action and make it happen. If you would like me to talk more about any of these income streams, do let me know down below, as I can literally talk about all of these income streams for hours on end. This is Emma from the future coming to you, as I just want to mention that not everything earned from my YouTube channel is profit. There are a number of things that need to be taken into account. Firstly, there are taxes. Every business is subject to tax. If you evade tax, you could face heavy penalties. So when starting out, do speak with an accountant to ensure that you stay legal. Secondly, there are costs that come with hosting an online course. You will need a place to host your course online so people can access it. I personally use Teachable. They have a free account which is ideal if you are just starting out. After you begin making a few sales per month, it becomes more economical to upgrade due to the fees per sale attached to the free account. And thirdly, mailing software. As you develop these income streams, you will naturally grow an email list. Once that list gets to a certain size, you will want to use email software which gives powerful analytical data about your email campaigns. You'll be able to see open rates, calls to action, and set up powerful automations within the software. The software that I use is ConvertKit, as it is easy and simple to set up and start using. So that's just a roundup to give you an idea of what sort of costs are associated with the multiple streams of income mentioned. As you can see, it is definitely not all profit. If you are looking to delve into the world of passive income, the easiest stream to start is affiliate marketing. This is due to the low barrier to entry in terms of cost and time. I've mentioned 5 ways you can make money using the traffic from YouTube. In fact, there are many, many more. I will leave a free PDF in the description box with 10 ways you can make money from YouTube. I've been Emma Louise Hamilton and I make videos all about Amazon FBA, entrepreneurship and mindset. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Take care for now. Bye!